Diwali is coming up really soon in India and I wanted to create this soft glam tutorial for you. So let's get started with today's video. To moisturize my face, I'm using the Revlon Luminous Moisturize and Prime Balm Primer. It's a 2-in-1 product, so it moisturizes and also primes the face. Since it's hydrating, it is great for dry skin too. For color corrector, I'm using the Ole Henriksen Vitamin CC stick in the shade Apricot. Now with the Jessup E02 brush, I'm blending out the corrector. This is a peach color, but if you've got darker hyperpigmentation, I'd suggest an orange corrector. Make sure you're neutralizing the darkness as much as possible. This is an important step, so take some time right here. And now with whatever's on the brush, I'm going to be applying that on the eyelids. For concealer, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 4W and I'm applying it to any discoloration on the face. That's my under eyes, any dark marks that I have all over the skin. This shade is very close to my skin tone, so I do not need to change anything about it. And now with the Dew Care brush, which is number 07, I'm blending that out. This is a dense brush, so it gives me good coverage and it helps apply the product very easily. All the products are linked in the description box below. Pressing the product in to the skin will make it long lasting and will give you better coverage too. I have got a video on long lasting makeup which I'm going to pin on top over here. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation and I'm applying this all over the skin. And now with my Huda Beauty brush, I'm going to be blending that by packing the product into the skin. This is an extremely long wear foundation and it's not too glowy and not too matte. I have also tested the product day in and day out and I've used it for events too and it lasts pretty long. So if you're looking for any long wear foundation, I'd suggest looking at this one. The Huda Beauty brush is great to blend out anything because it gives you good coverage. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content. So please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. And now without taking any more product, I'm just going to be blending that on the neck so that they look the same. And now let's get into eyes. For eyebrows, I'm using the ABH Perfect Brow Pencil in the shade Granite and I'm filling in the brows. I'm combing through the brows so that it makes it look more natural and not too blocky. Once you're done, brush all of that together. For concealer, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in this shade Biscuit and I'm applying this all over the lids. I'm using a small amount because it's a pretty full coverage concealer. Next, with any setting powder on a brush, I'm going to be patting that on the lids. This makes blending a lot more easier. And now with the Rare Beauty Brow Gel, I'm going to be setting the brows in place. This is a stronghold brow gel which does not look flaky at all. And now with the Makeup by Mario Ethereal palette and with a fluffy brush, I'm using the pink shade and applying this all over the lid. You do not want to be packing too much product because this is a soft glam look. Blend that into the crease. If you've got hooded eyes, make sure you're keeping the eyes open and blending that into the crease. This is where you'll know where your eyeshadow needs to come up to. Using a flatter brush, apply that to the bottom lash line. Now with the dark brown shade, I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of the eye. You want to be blending this inwards. And now back in with the fluffy brush, blend those colors together. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. This tutorial, I'm only building up the color twice. And with the flat brush, apply the same shade on the bottom lash line. That's going to give you the beautiful depth. Blending them softens the look. And now with this pink shimmer shade, I'm going to be taking it on my finger and applying that on the lid. It is so beautiful and so pigmented, and look at the shine it's giving. This is perfect for Diwali or any festival look. For any fallout, we're going to be using a spoolie brush to remove the glitter. And now we cannot forget a kohl pencil. So I'm using this one by K-Beauty. Here I'm tightlining the eyes, and later on I'll be applying that to the waterline too. As always, the products are linked in the description box. Don't forget to curl your lashes for that lifted look. And then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara and applying this on the lashes. This gives me that beautiful length that I'm looking for, and it separates out the lashes beautifully too. Highly recommend this mascara. And that's the eyes done. Wasn't that quick and easy? But now let's go and complete the face. For the contour palette, I'm using this one by NYX and applying that on the face. For blush, I'm going to be applying a lighter shade on the skin. Let's go ahead and blend it out. For powder, I'm using the Givenchy Prisme Libre powder and I'm setting the face. I couldn't see the light behind me, so I'm so sorry about it. Make sure you're applying that into the smile lines too. For highlighter, I'm using the Rare Beauty one in the shade Flaunt and applying this on the cheekbones and on the bridge of the nose too. This will give you that glow from within look. It's not glittery, but it's very soft and looks like skin. Now I'm just going to use a neutral shade and I'm lining the lips. It depends on what lip combo you're going in for. I'm going for a very natural, wearable one. And instead of lipstick, I'm using a lip stain because these ones last so long, it's ridiculous, and I really love all of their shades. Now you can choose whatever setting spray you'd like based on your skin type, but I'm using this one by Pat McGrath and I'm setting the face. And there you go guys, this is the Soft Glam tutorial that I promised you for Diwali. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching guys, have a good one, bye.